moving on to perpendicular lines today. Perpendicular lines. What you're going to be able to do today, you're going to be able to identify if lines are perpendicular. Just like when you identified if lines were parallel, you're going to identify if they're perpendicular. There's a relationship. Remember, parallel is same slope. There is a relationship between perpendicular and slope. Perpendicular means it meets at a 90-degree angle. Let's graph these, and I think my goal here is to try to get you to notice a relationship. So this is a y-intercept of -5, this first one. And then it looks like my slope is down 2 over 3. So down 2 over 3. Down 2 over 3, or up 2 other way 3. Okay, there's the graph of that first line. Second line, I have a y-intercept of 1. And then I go up 3 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, I can't really analyze anything here. So I'm going to work backwards. Down 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now these lines are not parallel, correct? Right. Parallel means they never intersect. These are not. Notice that they intersect at a right angle. That's perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines will intersect at a right angle, always. What do you think the relationship of their slope is? You forgot that this was minus. That's how you got it. Okay, so what is the relationship? This slope is a -2 over 3. This slope is a +3 over 2. Is there a relationship between those two? I want you to keep that in your mind. You think no, you think yes, I will tell you soon. Properties of perpendicular lines. They meet at a 90-degree angle. That's a property. And you want to know what else they do? They intersect. Yep, they sure do intersect. And you want to know what else they do? Their slopes are, here it is, negative the reciprocal of each other. Okay? So 3 properties. They meet at a 90-degree angle. They intersect, 90-degree angle, intersect, yep, they sure do. And their slopes are negative the reciprocal. Do you remember what that means, reciprocal?
No.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Hey, what's the reciprocal of 5 over 3?
3 over 5.
Got it. What's the reciprocal of 1 over 2?
2 over 1.
Got it. What's the reciprocal of 2 over 3?
3 over 2.
And this negative just means opposite signs. So it's pretty much the full opposite. So notice that we have -2 over 3. Opposite of negative is positive. Opposite of 2 over 3, 3 over 2. That's the relationship between reciprocal, perpendicular lines. Parallel, same. Reciprocal, total opposite. All right. All you have to do today is tell me if they're perpendicular or not. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to give you equations of lines, and I'm going to have you identify what the perpendicular slope, or if they're the same, parallel, opposite, perpendicular, or neither. It can be any of the 3. I think the first thing we're going to do is just identify what a particular slope would be. Remember, you can't analyze anything until y is alone. That is your one main target. Y alone. Y alone. Y alone. So I box my slope up. This is the slope. If I am perpendicular, I am opposite. So I'm going to flip it and make it the opposite sign. So maybe you want to write, flip, what was it? Flip, change sign?
Yeah.
Flip and then change sign. That's what you have to do. Flip, change sign. Flip, change sign. Can't do that yet. I need to get y alone first. So I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Y equals 2x minus, I don't care that that's a fraction, because all I care about is the slope. Box off the slope, flip, change sign. You can do it. Flip, 1 over 2, change sign, negative.
Yeah.
Okay. Next line. Do I know the slope yet? Nope, I have to get y alone. So move your 3x. Four y equals 3x plus 12. Can I determine the slope yet? Nope, I gotta move that 4. So I'm going to move the 4, move the 4, move the 4. Y equals 3 over 4 x plus 3. Analyze the slope. Now, flip, change sign. So flip it, 4 over 3. Change the sign, negative. Did it. It did it. Okay,
You have to pull the negative
now,
out. Oh gosh.
can I do the slope right now? Yes or no?
No.
No, y is not alone. You can't do it. So I need to move that 2x. And I get y equals negative 2. Maybe put over 1. Maybe that'll help some of you with whole numbers. X plus 5. Now I can analyze the slope. Box off the slope. Flip, change sign. Flip. And now it will be positive. Okay. Oh, the last two are nice. Why do I like the last two? Because y is already alone. Yay, we love when y is already alone. So, box off the slope. Perpendicular is flip, change sign. So 3 over 1, make it negative.
My dollar is that X because X is up.
It's 1/3 x. It's like this. 1/3 x minus 2. So it's a slope. Okay. No, stop. Okay, negative 1/3 x. Box off. Flip, change sign. 3 over 1. Make it positive.